Hey girl, hey, welcome to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Tyra. I am a boy mom of 3, ages 6, 3, and 1 on the way. He will be here less than 8 weeks, y'all. I cannot believe I am starting over, but I am so excited. The type of content y'all can expect from me will be like mommy content, daily vlogs, weekly vlogs, morning, night routine, self-care, newborn content, postpartum, just everything mommy content, and just girly stuff, like everything like that. So if that is your vibe, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you guys do not miss out. I am so excited. And yes, and I also just feel like us as moms or dads, we just need that escape. Like when it's just you're having a rough day or just something to help you get through the day. For me, I've always gone to YouTube. That is my favorite app, and I just love watching videos like that. It's so inspiring, it's so motivating, and I just also wanted to be that for somebody else. So, you know, we all need a village, whether that's a virtual village or in person. So I hope that I can be that for somebody out here. So let's get into the actual video. So I thought it would be perfect to do a moving vlog for the very first video, just to kind of show y'all where it all is starting. As y'all seen in the beginning, we are at Burlington and we're just getting some stuff for the new place. A 2-bedroom townhome with 2 bathrooms and a finished basement. So we had a lot of space to welcome baby in, and having the boys have their own space, and my man got his man cave. And so we just needed little essential things. We needed like bathroom mats. Y'all seen what I got. And this was back in September. I was about 12 weeks pregnant around here. So that's why I'm way smaller. So when you guys see like newer videos of me, you're gonna be like, oh my goodness, like you are huge now. But you know, as all places always say, like they mop, they clean, they do all the things, but I just wasn't gonna take no chances. I get like anxiety a little bit when I move into a new place, because you just never know who was there before you. So I just really wanted to do a really good deep clean before unpacking all of our things. So yeah, so that's kind of just what I did, and it took me about 3 days to do everything. And I just took my time just because, you know, I am pregnant. I was trying to take it easy. I was nauseous during these times, so I just really wanted to give myself grace and just go with emotions. And also, real quick before I let y'all just watch, if y'all ever had this ice maker, comment down below how was it, because I loved it and it helped with my water intake, but y'all, it broke after like 3 weeks and we had to return it. So comment down below if you guys have a better ice maker that will actually last, because I feel like my water intake is now trash because I don't have my ice machine. But yeah, so I will let y'all watch me work and I will jump in if there's anything else that I need to say.
This can't be my forever, no. This can't be my forever, no. And I know they don't see what I see. Prayed on my knees for my peace. Wanna see family feel at ease, oh. And I know that there's more than this, yeah. And I know that there's more than this, hey, yeah. Find life, new reasons. Pray for the soul lost. Find hope, find strength, find freedom. Pray, yeah. This can't be my forever. This can't be, no. This can't be, yeah. This can't be my forever.
Okay, so now we are a little bit later. It is now dark outside. We had ordered some pizza and we're getting ready for bed. As y'all see, my son is in his pajamas. But I was just kind of showing y'all the downstairs, and this is our half bath. I'm getting ready to clean it and also sweep and mop the floor, and I'm also showing you guys the boxes, how I kind of organize everything so it was not all over the place, because the boxes were all over the place, girl. But like I said, we had ordered a pizza for dinner because we did not have groceries yet, and I'm just kind of putting everything away and getting ready, like I said, for bed. My son would not let me be great. He wanted to be, my son is so clingy to me, y'all. He needs to be everywhere I am at. And it's worse now that I'm pregnant. But this broom I got, y'all seen I got it at Burlington. I thought it was one of those adjustable brooms to where you could like raise it up and down, but no, girl. It's one that stays at my waist, and I was hurting my back trying to sweep everything up. I now know how to use it to where I don't have to bend down like this. I did not like it for, I almost returned it, but I figured it out.
Don't be in a rush to try to find a man. Just keep getting closer with God and trusting in His plans. Don't fall for the hype on the gram, they follow trends. Making toxicity look cute, that ain't romance. You gotta be better than if the man upstairs know your name, I advise you know your worth. Get you a male, treat you like a queen, and always gonna put God first. Don't return to your past, I know it hurt. Last time they put you on a shirt. Glory to God that now you're living. Don't go back, it might be worse. Beautiful to be treated like dirt. Don't rush it, put it on pause. Let God satisfy your thirst. He don't pray at all. You know that ain't gonna work. Yahweh died for you, sweetheart. It's better that you deserve. It's not even worth that hurt. 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 P31, that's what you are. I see you shining, girl, you like a star. You be on your grind, you working hard. You and your whip got your own car. Look at God, oh, He done brought you far. You're so amazing, oh, don't get me started. Don't get me started.
Okay, so before mopping the kitchen, I really wanted to wipe off all the appliances and do the dishes that were in the sink. Not necessarily that anything was super dirty, I just felt like everything was dusty from like unpacking things, and just, I don't know, I didn't get a chance to just wipe those appliances off, so I just really wanted to do that before mopping in the kitchen. And the dishes in the sink, we didn't use those. In the very first clip, I did put them in the dishwasher, but when I took them out, they were just very like foggy, and I think that means that the dishwasher filter needed to be replaced or like cleaned, or I don't know nothing about that stuff, girl. But so I just hand washed those to get those clean before mopping the kitchens, just so that I didn't have to step back in the kitchen, because once the kitchen is closed, it is closed. And then y'all will also see me wipe the sink down again. You're probably thinking, how many times did she clean the sink out? But off camera, I did end up dumping my mop bucket water into the sink, so y'all would see me just clean the sink the last time before we move on to day 2, and that's just because, like I said, I dumped the mop water out into the sink. But yeah, so then after I do all this, we will move on to day 2.
Rendezvous, world had me in some funny shoes, turning green from the wicked I was running through. Could've took me out if he wanted to. I know he was hearing me cry. Lord, send me down and let me get my feet right. Now all my bad dreams get a goodbye. I know what you do, keep me on assignment. Angels surrounding me on my right and left. Now grace is what you call that. I know you got all that I need. You can find me right here. I know you got all that I need. If you take me, I'll go even to the unknown, and I'll be right here, and I'll meet you there.
Okay, so now moving on to day 2. Y'all, this ice machine hated to see me coming. When I tell y'all, I loved it so much for the time being that we had it. But I'm just setting the vibe now, lighting a candle to get myself in the mood to keep on going to unloading and unboxing. But in the meantime, my man needed my opinion on some glasses. So after that, I also ate some Dunkin' and some pizza. Y'all, pregnancy just be doing stuff like that. I don't know. It was a good combo. But now we're just going to be unloading the dishwasher and unboxing more things for day 2.
I just don't have enough words to give you the praise you deserve. It's about that time I take a deep dive and I go all in. Faith like I'm walking on water, I better not fall in. Yeah, I'ma keep my eyes on you. Seek you like I'm supposed to do. Your love is easy like it's 1 + 2. No more burdens cause I trust in you. You are all I need. And I give you all of me. You come first, more of you, less of me. I'm moving like Matthew 6:33. Yeah, set apart, covered and blessed. I serve God and say it with my chest. Wake up, thankful for his patience, grace and salvation. So nobody bothering me. No weapons formed against me shall prosper. Uncovered in God's armor. Yeah, if you say go, then I'll go. Lord, I only answer to you. So I'ma keep my eyes on you. Seek you like I'm supposed to do. Your love is easy like it's 1 + 2. No more burdens cause I trust in you. You are all I need. And I give you all of me. You come first, more of you, less of me. I'm moving like Matthew 6:33. You are all I need. And I give you all of me. You come first, more of you, less of me. I'm moving like Matthew 6:33. If you say go, then I'll go, go, go. If you say go, then I'll go, 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 go. If you say go, then I'll go, 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 go. If you say go, then I'll go, Lord, I only answer to you.
Drop it in the water, let the daughter find it.
So after loading the dishwasher up, I feel pretty sick, so I just rested for the rest of day 2. And now moving on to day 3 in the boys' room, I was just unloading all of their clean clothes into their dresser so that we had a good system in the morning for school. And that was it for day 3. I didn't really do much at all because I just wasn't really feeling well, y'all. I was so nauseous. But that was it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, go ahead and give me a like, comment, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future uploads, and I will catch y'all in the next one.
Now, tell about the healer. Greater is the one within.